What's up, y'all? Out here looking at some houses. Was looking to probably wholesale. I don't think this is it. This looking pretty rough. This house right here looking pretty rough. The whole neighborhood's abandoned. I don't think this is it. Did you hear that? Is that a dog? That sounds like a lion. Yeah, I don't think this house is it. Oh yeah, the roofing's all messed up. Yeah, it's a no-go.
So off the roof, what you know you were off the roof?
Cause I know the house gonna need more work than what it's worth. I ain't spending no more than $10,000 for a house out here.
Even if it's a nice ass house, like that house right there across the street. What's the most you'll pay for that house already?
$10,000. Cause the most I know I could sell it for, is $20,000. And that's if it's like, you know what I'm saying, like perfect condition. I mean, in Gary though, you're gonna make your money back on any house though, because you could rent it out for $700 and you only paid $5,000-$6,000 for it. But if you look like it need a new roof, that's $5,000 right there. The chimney.
And it based on square footage too, of the roof?
Huh?
Because that's not a big house.
It's not a big house, but I guarantee the roof gonna be anywhere from like $5,000 to $7,000. Now I probably want to say it's $3,000.
About 35.
But say I buy it for $5,000 and $3,000 for a new roof. The inside, you gotta replace all the gutters, all the fascia. It got $10,000 worth of work on the outside.
That lady gave me back, she said we can hit up at 12.
Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna need all new fascia. The roof don't look that bad though. Gutters, fascia. And then I said we might as well just flip this deal to Buddy ass. Make some bread.
Yeah, that would make the most sense. Everybody be happy. We'll get something out of it. He'll get a job. She'll get it done.
Yeah.
Instead of us trying to do this shit and this ain't what the fuck we doing. We got other shit going on.
And I'm gonna be honest, like I've done shit like this before, but I ain't that experienced. I ain't did this shit in like 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a big job. Cause in the back, the whole wood is just rotted all the way into the house.
It's like a motherfucker who gonna do it, they don't want to put up a whole new wall and shit on that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna really lead to more.
Like literally.
Cause it's gonna be more.
On the inside,
you gonna
them 2x4s might be all messed up. You might have to redo the whole inside of this.
It's gonna wind up being more than what you think it's gonna be.
This gonna be a couple $1,000.
Yeah. About $2,000.
What's up, YouTube? Back with another video at my property. This is my apartment building. This is one of the units. Still trying to decide if I'm gonna rent it out or if I'm gonna turn it into a studio for me in a video room. I don't know. Still trying to decide. I mean, if I rent it out, I can make money off of it. But if I use it as a studio, I have a home studio in my house. And I don't know. Either or. But it's a little 2-bedroom. I figured I could use the other room. It's like an office. So I have an office over here, have the studio right here. And then in this other room over here, which is the laundry room with the furnace and everything, we got enough space to make it like a video room, like where I could just record videos or whatever. So I'm still on the fence with it. But yeah, I had to put my property in one of my videos because, you know, out here doing successful things, you know what I'm saying? Achieving my dreams, you feel me? So, had to put it in here. Every time I come over here, I'm just working, getting stuff done. But figured today, I'll throw it in the vlog real quick. Finna turn off all these lights. Now I'm leaving my property band all day. Got a whole dumpster full. I had to close the dumpster. 2.5 dumpsters full of garbage and bullshit. Finally done. Get to get in my car, go home. I've been at it since 4 o'clock this morning. Now, like, what's 7 o'clock, 7:30 at night? Just fucking tired. But all is in the day's work of Amar shot to God. Feel me? So we finna get to it. But man, basically, I just wanted to put my property on the vlog. I ain't even gonna cap. I just want to put my property on here, show you guys what I'm working on. I told you I'm gonna pick the camera up every day. I'm finna vlog every day. I'm finna show you what I'm doing every single day. So basically, if you like it, you like it. You don't, you don't. I'm gonna be vlogging every single day. It is what it is. But I'm about this joint. Finna go home, go to sleep. I'm tired, motherfucker tired.
How's it doing, new boy?
We got the studio right here. We're gonna record a hit right here.
Get Mark.
This man asleep.
That nigga look like Barney, but like
His ass said, "Hey bro, let's parlay." Came over and went to sleep. Mike ass ain't seen Mike. His ass been in the A.
Yeah. What's the word?
Shit, chilling, vibing.
Take a shot for me.
He got that down Julio in the cut.